and welcome to a brief video tutorial of MetaTrader5 trading platform presented to you by AMP Futures. Now, some of you, when you go ahead and download the platform, you may notice that on the price axis of the charts that you won't see all the price data as well as the time data on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to show you how to uninstall the program and reinstall the program with a new link that will allow you to bring up the access price and time. Okay, so first thing that we want to do is we're going to close out of the MetaTrader platform. And on your desktop, you'll see the MetaTrader icon. You're going to go ahead and uninstall or delete that. Then you'll go over to your program files. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So we're going to jump over to my other screen. Okay, so in the lower corner of your screen, you'll see, or upper corner if you're using Windows 8, okay, you're going to go to your search and find your control panel. Okay, so we're going to scroll down. And we're looking for our control panel. You can go to control panel or you can go to programs and features depending on the setup of your computer. Let's go to control panel. Okay, once that comes up, you're going to go to programs and features. Okay, we're looking for AMP MetaTrader5. So we're going to go ahead and uninstall that. Make sure you check mark where it says delete user personal data. Click next. Prepare to uninstall. Remove all groups. Click finish. Any instances of MetaTrader you want to completely take it off your computer, don't forget to check mark delete personal data. Click yes. Click next. Click finished. Okay. So as I'm going through here, I'm taking off all instances of MetaTrader5. Okay. So once I've done that, I'm going to switch back to my other monitor. Okay. And the new download link that will be sent to you, you're going to go ahead and put it in the search box. Now, before you go ahead and run it, I want to check a couple more places to make sure that there's no other instances of MetaTrader5 on the computer. Okay, so let's jump back to our first screen. We're going to minimize. We're going to go back to our search. We want to get into this PC or into your computer. So let's go ahead. We're going to type on Windows 8. It's going to be this PC. Any other version, it's going to be my computer or just computer. Go to local disk C, double click on that, go to program files, click on that. If you go to program files, you're going to search through to make sure there are no other instances of MetaTrader. Now go back and go to program files times 86. Okay, we're going to look through here. Okay, so we have no other. Now check one more place, documents. Okay, we're going to look in the documents. We can search documents and let's see if there's AMP. Okay. So I'm looking for all instances of the actual platform. Okay. So we don't have any other instances. We're going to hop over to my other screen. And now we're going to run that executable file. Okay. All right, it'll start to download here in the bottom of the screen. Once it's loaded, right-click. You're going to hit open. Okay. Give it permission to run the program. Okay, so let's give it a minute here to run. All right, just give it just a minute here. Okay, so now you're going to start the download. It actually showed up on my other monitor, so we're going to hop back over there real quick. All right, so there it is. Click yes, I agree. Click next. Okay, it's going to start running the program, downloading the files, and once it's finished, it'll show up here finished. So let's give it a second. There it is, finished. Okay, and now we're going to minimize and we're going to find the icon on our desktop. So what we're looking for, there it is in the lower corner. It's going to open up. What we're looking for is to see if it fixes the problem, the new installer, which is to bring in the prices on the axis of the time and price. All right, so just give it a second here as it loads up. Okay, so as you can see, the version that we had before had no price or time on the axis, and now it's there with the new installer. Make sure that you contact our help desk, www.ampfutures.com. You can go to the chat window or give us a call, 800-560-1640, and hit extension 1, and anyone at the help desk can help you. In conclusion, for those of you who may have an issue with the new installer, if you still don't see the time and price on the axes of the charts, right-click on the charts, go to Properties, and go to Colors, and where it says Foreground, make sure you change that to black, and your prices will show up. Once you've changed it to black, go to the top where it says File, and you're going to save so that it comes back the same way every time you reopen the program. Again, that's for those of you who still have an issue with the time and price axis. Again, right-click on the charts, go to Properties, choose a foreground color. You'll see it in white, change it to black, and save as, so that your workspace will come back with the new changes that you've made. Again, any questions, don't hesitate to call us or email support@ampfutures.com or call us 1-800-560-1640, extension 1. Have a great day.